Hello all. Today I have a small little new IKEA product, that is LilHult. This is a USB cable which is USB A to USB C. So this is the USB C. I bought this cable from IKEA Navi Mumbai store for 399 and price quoted here is 692, but that's just the quote. But it's for 399. IKEA products are good. If you see closely, it is what you call it as covered with some sort of cloth. They call it as braided, right? So this is braided cable end to end, so it should, so that it will not damage at any parts. And this also comes with a rubber band. I'll quickly open it and come back and show you how does it look. So I have opened this. So in order to open this particular cardboard in which it is packed, it comes like this. You have to just peel it off from the middle, and you have to cut the zip ties which holds this particular USB cable to the cardboard. You also get a little manual, but who does read this? Fine. So the size of the cable here mentioned is 1.5 meter, which is 4 feet and 11 inches, and this is the cable itself. This has its certification, and then this is the band, which sort of, why I don't know, does not contain any IKEA logo. Before I have purchased one which was a micro USB to the USB A, and it had a big IKEA branding here, although the IKEA branding is here if you see on both the sides, and the cable looks really sturdy. Sort of bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. If you like this video, please press the like key and subscribe to my channel for all such little new videos. Thank you.